Welcome to Azure Data Factory tutorials. In this video, we are going to create Azure Data Factory in steps. Let's move to the portal. So here you can search for data factories. Click on the data factories. So the data factory can be created in two ways. Either you can click on here plus create, or you can create here also. So I'm just clicking here, create data factory. And here you need to choose your subscription. So my subscription is pay as you go. If you have the trial version, so it is also displayed here. Next, you need to choose the resource group. If you already have the resource group, you can select. Otherwise, you can create new. And here I am giving here Azure underscore resource group. So this is my resource group, and the resource group name should be small letters only. Next, you should give the instance name. Instance name is nothing but the name of your data factory. So I am giving my data factory as first data factory. See here, the name is already chosen, means whatever the name you are giving across the Azure portal, the name should be unique. That's the reason I'm giving some numbers here. So this is also, yeah, it's taken. So the name of the data factory should be unique, and you should choose the region. So my nearest region is India. So let me check India. South India. And the version should be E2 only. Next, move to the Git configuration. So we are not going to do any configuration now. So just that's the reason I'm clicking configure Git later. Next, click on networking. I'm not going to change anything here as the basic video. Next, under the advanced also I'm not doing anything. And tags, no, I'm not giving any tags here. And the last to final is review and create. So it will take time. Now after the review, you can click on here create. So the deployment is initializing the deployment. So we should wait till the deployment has completed. So we can see here deployment is complete. So after you get this message deployment is complete, now you have to click on go to resource. Once you go to the resource, you need to open Azure Data Factory Studio. So we came to the Azure Data Factory Studio. Now that means we came to the different portal Azure Data Factory. So in this portal we are going to do certain operations. The first one is home. The second one is author tab. So as we discussed that important topics are top level topics. So these are the pipelines, data sets, data flows, and Power Queries. So we're going to discuss more in detail about the pipelines, data sets, and data flows. The third one is monitor. So we'll see all the pipelines. So how the pipelines are running, is the triggers are running properly or not, integration runtimes, and the data flow debugs. Everything we are going to see here. The next one is manage. So in this manage we are going to create some linked services, integration runtimes, and other things we are going to see here, triggers, other things we are going to see here. So you don't worry about any one of the things. So in upcoming video we'll discuss each and everything in detail. Thank you.